Hello guys, I wanna tell you how to fix when you have weird sound while you're using voice chat while in Steam games. Like in my case, people said that I had a weird sound like a demon or anything like that when I use voice chat. So I wanna tell you how I fixed that weird sound problem. First, I open the recording devices tab and go to the recording tab. Open your microphone by clicking it 2 times and open the microphone effects tab and tick this disable microphone enhancements. And if you check your microphone here and your sound right, then you should be okay in game 2. Here like this. And then you will be sound like that. Thanks for watching this simple tutorial. Hope I fix your problem too. Thanks.